Hey everyone! Welcome back to Make an App Like, your go-to channel for learning how to build digital businesses, apps, and online income streams. Today's topic is one that's been blowing up across the internet, and for good reason. We're talking about OnlyFans. If you've ever searched things like how to start an OnlyFans, how to make an OnlyFans page, or even how to start an OnlyFans without followers, then this video is for you. I'll walk you through every step. From setting up your account, picking a niche, posting content, and making money, even if you're starting from scratch with 0 followers. So grab your coffee or your notepad, because I'm giving you the full career guide. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is OnlyFans? OnlyFans is a subscription-based platform where creators get paid directly by fans. You can post exclusive photos, videos, voice notes, live streams, or even sell digital and physical products. Most people think it's just for adult content, and while that's a big part, there are also fitness coaches, musicians, artists, chefs, and educators making great income. The platform has over 320 million users and more than 5 million creators. In 2023 alone, over $1 billion was paid out to creators. That's massive. Let's get into the basics. How to start an OnlyFans account. Step 1. Go to onlyfans.com and click on Sign Up. Step 2. Register with your email or connect to Twitter or Google account. Step 3. Confirm your email. Step 4. Set up your profile. Add a username, display name, profile picture, cover photo, and write your bio. Step 5. Submit your government-issued ID and selfie for age verification. Step 6. Set your subscription price. Most beginners start with $7.99 to $9.99 per month. Step 7. Link your bank account so you can get paid. Step 8. Upload your first 5 to 10 pieces of content. That's it. You've officially started. This is how to get started on OnlyFans. Now here's the $1 million question. How to start an OnlyFans without followers? It's possible. I've seen so many creators go from 0 to hundreds of subscribers just by learning how to promote themselves. You can use Reddit, Twitter, TikTok, and even Telegram to bring in traffic. Reddit is powerful. Find niche subreddits related to your content. Post teasers and stay consistent. Twitter allows NSFW content. Post short videos or pics and use hashtags like OnlyFans, OFModel, or Fitness OnlyFans. TikTok, keep it clean and engaging, like fitness routines, behind the scenes, or voiceovers. Link your OnlyFans via Linktree. Consistency is the secret. Let's talk about niches. Super important. You don't need to be everything to everyone. Pick a focus and build around it. Adult content ideas, lingerie modeling, feet pics, cosplay, couple content, and roleplay. Non-adult content ideas, fitness training, yoga, cooking, art tutorials, digital downloads, affirmations, and daily vlogs. The more specific your niche, the better your chances of standing out. Now let's answer, what can you actually post? Here's what I've seen work. Teaser photos or video sets, workout sessions, cosplay clips, step-by-step recipes, artistic behind-the-scenes relationship advice or Q&A, ASMR audio, personal vlogs or sexy stories. Keep your content high quality. Use good lighting, a clean setup, and shoot in HD. Batch your content and schedule posts using OnlyFans built-in scheduler. I'm Bella, and if you're just starting your OnlyFans journey, one of the biggest things you're probably wondering is, how exactly do I make money on OnlyFans? Let me walk you through every income stream you can tap into, with tips, examples, and how most creators use them. 1. Monthly subscriptions, your core income. This is the foundation. Fans pay you a monthly fee to access your private content. Most creators start with $4.99 to $14.99 a month. You can create free pages too, and monetize via tips or PPV. Offer discount bundles, e.g. 3 months for $30. Pro tip. Use limited time promotions to spike signups. This is consistent income and great for long-term growth. 2. PPV, pay-per-view messages. PPV is where you send locked content via direct messages, and fans pay to unlock it. You choose the price, usually between $5 to $50+. This works for special photo sets, videos, or spicy clips. You can bulk send PPVs to all subscribers for a quick earnings boost. Creators often earn more from PPV than subscriptions, especially if their main page is low cost or free. 3. Tips on posts or in DMs. Fans can tip any post or tip you directly in private messages. You can set tip menus, e.g. $10 for shout-out, $25 for audio note. Add captions like, tip if you want to surprise in your inbox. Tip goals, like $200 for a new lingerie shoot, also motivate fans. Tips work great when fans feel connected, so be interactive and kind. 4. Custom content, personalized requests. Custom content is when fans request something specific and pay extra for it. Could be a name shout-out, custom video, voice note, outfit, etc. You set your own rates, usually $50 to $200 plus, depending on time and effort. Always confirm the request, price, and delivery timeline in advance. Custom orders build loyalty and are often your highest paying content. 5. Live streams. Going live lets you engage in real time and earn through live tips or goals. Use it for Q&As, workouts, live roleplay, cooking, or hanging out. Fans can send tips during the stream, or you can charge for entry. Set tip challenges to unlock new actions or scenes live. Live sessions also help build deeper connections, equals better retention. 6. Selling digital products. If you're creative, this is a goldmine. You can sell ebooks, fitness guides, recipes, journals, photo bundles, video packs, e.g. best of clips, downloadable art or templates. You can promote your digital products through posts or DMs. It's passive income once created. 7. Selling physical products, merch, prints, etc. OnlyFans allows integration with Spring, formerly Teespring, to sell t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, stickers, signed posters or custom merch, Polaroids or fan gift packs. You don't have to manage inventory. These tools handle it for you. 8. Referrals, affiliate program. If you bring someone to the platform, either a new creator or a fan, you can earn a percent of their spend or income for a limited time. OnlyFans pays 5% of referred creators' earnings, up to $1 million max. You just need to use your unique referral link. Works great if you're active in forums or helping other creators. This is a slow but passive way to earn long-term without content creation. Final tip from Bella. Most successful creators combine 3 to 5 of these income streams. For example, use subscriptions for daily content, send PPVs for special sets, offer customs for loyal fans, go live weekly, and promote a product or ebook once a month. The key is consistency. Creativity equals cash flow. Let me give you some motivation. Bad Barbie made over $52 million in 1 year. Bella Thorne made $1 million in 24 hours. Mia Khalifa earns $6.5 million monthly. Iggy Azalea, about $9.2 million monthly. Even small creators like Mrs. Robinson, who never shows her face, earned over $800 just from Reddit promotions. The opportunity is real. Useful tools and resources for OnlyFans creators, short version. To run your OnlyFans smoothly and professionally, you don't need to do everything manually. Here are some helpful tools and resources that can save time and improve quality. Content creation tools. Editing apps like Lightroom, Photoshop, or Canva help you polish your photos. For videos, apps like iMovie or Premiere Rush make trimming and adding captions easy. Canva is great for creating promo banners and thumbnails too. Essential equipment. You don't need fancy gear. A smartphone, ring light, and tripod work wonders. For better video audio, consider upgrading to a DSLR and using a mic, especially for talking content or ASMR. Scheduling and planning. Use OnlyFans' built-in post scheduler to queue content in advance. For social media, apps like Buffer, Later, or Hootsuite help you stay consistent. You can use Google Calendar or Trello to plan themes and track ideas. Analytics and insights. Check OnlyFans' stats page to see what's performing best and who your top fans are. On social media, use Twitter Instagram Insights or third-party tools like Social Blade to monitor engagement and traffic drivers. Promotion tools, platforms like Linktree or All My Links help link all your profiles from one page. For Reddit, tools like SocialRise can schedule posts and track performance. Be cautious with bots, avoid breaking community rules. Security and privacy. Always turn on 2FA for your OF account and use a strong password. If anonymity matters, consider using a VPN and a separate email, like ProtonMail, to keep your identity private. Merch and digital products. Use OnlyFans, integration with Teespring to sell merch. For digital goods like ebooks or photo sets, platforms like Gumroad or even direct PPV delivery on OF work well. Some creators also use Amazon wishlists for fan gifts. Time management and productivity apps like Notion or Google Sheets help track content ideas, birthdays, or fan requests. Staying organized makes scaling easier. Optional help. If your account grows big, you can consider a virtual assistant or explore OnlyFans agencies for help with messaging or promotion. Do your research before hiring or signing with anyone. In summary, start with the basics: good lighting, consistent posts, and social media links. As you grow, add more tools to save time and boost earnings. The right setup can make your work easier and your content better. Let me know if you'd like this styled into a checklist or turned into a downloadable creator toolkit. If you're just starting, post at least 4 to 5 times a week, promote daily, use Linktree or beacons to organize your links. Stay consistent with your content theme. Talk to your fans, reply to DMs, and build loyalty. Never be afraid to test what works. Remember, OnlyFans is not luck. It's content, it's consistency, plus community. Let's rapid fire some FAQs. Q. How to make an OnlyFans page. Sign up, verify ID, add content, set pricing, and publish. Q. How to start an OnlyFans for beginners. Choose a niche, create a few posts, promote on Reddit and Twitter. Can I stay anonymous? Yes, many top creators never show their face. Can I sell products? Yes, ebooks, photo sets, signed prints, and more. Is it just for adult content? No, fitness, coaching, cooking, all do well if marketed properly. Alright, that's your complete beginner's guide on how to start an OnlyFans and make money. Whether you're launching a full business or just exploring a new income stream, the opportunity is there. You don't need followers. You don't need to be famous. You just need to start, show up, and give value. Make sure to check out our full written guide linked in the description. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who's been thinking about launching their page. This is Make an App Like. I'm Bella, and I'll see you in the next video.